Hey, let's fix this issue on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, we need to go to search bar and type your device manager and then click here to open it. And once we are here, we need to expand the network adapters. Right click on your internet network connection, select properties, then simply we need to go to drivers tab, select update drivers and make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then select the first option, search automatically for drivers. Wait for some time and the base drivers will be installed for the particular network connection. Now close this window. After that, just open services, go to search bar and type here services, and from the search results click here to open it. Now on this window we need to find out Wi-Fi direct service. Just scroll down and so here it is, Wi-Fi direct services connection manager service. So right click on it, select properties and make sure this startup type as selected as automatic, then start the service. After that click on apply and then OK. Again just scroll down and find out Windows update on the same services window. Here it is, right click on it, select properties, then set startup type as automatic, click on start this service, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window and in the last method just go to search bar, type your control panel, then select view by as category, select network and internet, then select network and sharing center, and from select Ethernet, go to properties. Before that we have to just click on change adapter settings, and from here we need to just select your particular internet connection, select enable by right clicking on it. For example, if this internet connection is disabled, then right click on it, select enable and simply restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.